In this video lesson, I will show you what is Crash 1000 Index Pip Calculator, so you can know how to calculate the pip value for this indice. So on the left side we have a pip calculator, where I will leave also a link of this pip calculator below in the description. On the right side you have MetaTrader 5 trading platform I'm using from Derby Broker, so you can see all the synthetic indices here in the market watch window, and below in the left corner you will have a PDF, which I will also leave a link below in the description of the video, so you can download this PDF with all the values for these indices, synthetic index, so you can see the value for the contract size, pip value, minimum and the maximum volume, and also other examples. So let's start. The pip calculator for the Crash 1000 index have several variables that you need to put, and also several fields that you need to populate. On the top you have a pip value in US dollars, so when you click calculate you will get here the value of a pip or a stop loss or a take profit. Then below that you have a Crash 1000 index selected in the drop down menu, but you can also select any other that you want to use in calculation. When you click and select any of these synthetic indices, you will have automatically populate contract size and the point value, which is connected with the Derby Broker specification sheet, which means that you will immediately have the correct contract size defined and also the point value. If you have any other values from any other broker, you can simply change these values here in these fields. Below that you have a volume. I have put this one to 1 because it is one standard lot. It is also a lot size, so if you know what is lot size, then you know that it is the same as the volume. You can also change this value to any other value that you would like. I will show you that later on in the examples. Then you have a contract size, which is also defined by the broker. You do not change this value at all during the calculation because it is always the same for specific synthetic indice. So if you do not have this value for specific index, you need to contact your broker and ask him what is the contract size. Then you have a point value. In this case for the Crash 1000 it is 4 decimal points, 0.0001. So this means what is the minimum price change and also what is a 1 pip. So in this case we have 4 decimal points, which means a 1 pip is equal to 0.0001 price change. Now when you go here into MetaTrader 5, you will see on the right side it is a price. It has also 4 decimal points. So when you see the price change on the last decimal point by 1, this will mean it is changing by 1 pip. So when you put all these values here, volume to 1, contract size to 1 and the point value to 0.0001, and click calculate, here in the pip value field you will get the value of 1 pip. In this case it is equal to $0 because it is on 4 decimal points, and we have here the final result in 2 decimal points. If this result field would be to 4 decimal points, then we would see $0.0001. Below that you have entry price, stop loss and take profit. These are the fields if you would like to calculate how much the stop loss and the take profit would be equal to if you open the order. Let me show you an example. Below that you will have a stop loss difference and take profit difference, which is the difference between the stop loss and the entry price and between the entry price and the take profit. Then you would take these values and calculate the value. For example, let's put here on the chart an example. If we open an order at the current market price and we expect that the price will go up, this means we could put stop loss just below these lows. Then we could put, for example, take profit target at this position. So how much money you would make if you open an order and put stop loss here and the take profit here? Simply copy these 3 values here. The entry price would be 6530.9760. Stop loss would be 6510.7643, and the stop loss take profit would be 6583.11500. Click calculate and you get the difference for the price between the stop loss and the entry price, and the take profit and the entry price. So you simply copy this stop loss price difference here where the point value is and click calculate, and you would get that the stop loss would be equal to $20.21 US. Take profit would be equal to, copy paste this one, 52.17. So if these are the values that you are satisfied with, you simply go to the trading platform and open a trade. So let's do that. Let's put this one, let the volume be 1 because we have used this one in the Pip Calculator. Copy paste stop loss here, then take profit, and we have defined that the price could go up. This means opening a buy order. And here is the new order open. Let's copy this entry price so that our calculation is correct. 6529.8597. Click calculate, and we get the new stop loss. Copy this one here, and we get that stop loss would be equal to $19.1. Let's remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss take profit levels. Let's put our mouse over this line, and we get $19.1 US. It is the same one that we have calculated here. Let's put take profit, click calculate, we get 53.29. Let's see it here, 53.29. It is the same value that we got here in the Pip Calculator for the Crash 1000 index. So you can see that you can, before opening an order, you can calculate the stop loss and the take profit value, so you can calculate the risk management the proper way before opening an order. Let's, for example, change the volume size so we can define different values for the stop loss and take profit. For example, the stop loss was equal to $19. For example, if you would like that this value is $100, how much you would change the volume? Let's check that. Just a minute. Let's close this order. And for example, let's put here the open price. Let's change now the direction. Let's open a sell order where the stop loss will be just above these highs and the take profit will be, for example, at this price. So let's go here in the PDF and find Crash 1000. For example, it is here. You can see that the contract size is always 1. The minimum volume that you can use is 0.2 and the maximum one is 80. So we need to change the volume size here in the Pip Calculator. Just a minute, I need to put this one here. You need to change the volume size to define what would be the stop loss. So the minimum one is 0.2, that is defined for the Crash 1000, and the maximum one is 80. So we have $19. If we would like to get close to 100, we need to multiply that with 5. So we need to increase the volume by 5 times. So click the volume 5 and click calculate, we get $95. So it is close to this one. But let's see on the example. Let's put the new values for the entry price, 6528.4150. Stop loss would be 6545.6290, and the take profit would be for 6461.6216. Click calculate, and here it is the value. We have the stop loss difference 17.21. Let's copy this one here. We get close to 86.07. So to increase to close to 100, let's change the volume. Let's put 5.2. Click calculate. It is close to $90. Let's, for example, 5.6, 96.40. Let's put 5.8. It is 99.84. So if you are satisfied with the volume, which we have changed inside here the Pip Calculator, we simply go here and open a new order. Let's put this one here, change the volume to 5.8, copy this one stop loss here and take profit here. We have predicted that the price could go down. This means we open a sell market. order. Okay, let's copy this one, which is the new entry price. So we have correct values here, 6531.2232. Click calculate, and we get 14.40, which is the price difference. Click calculate, and we get 83.55. So because the difference of the entry price, we have different stop loss. So this has affected on the result for the stop loss, which is not close to 100, but it is 83.55. So if you are satisfied with this, let's go check this one here, how much it is on the chart. For the stop loss, which is here, we get 83.55, sorry. We get the same value here. Let's check for the take profit, 403.69. Let's check this one, copy paste here, 403.69. It is the same value. Now you can see how to use Crash 1000 index and calculate the pip value and also stop loss and the take profit before opening an order. This helps you to define the proper risk management on each trade that you open. So if you have any questions regarding Crash 1000 index, please leave a comment below in the video and I'll try to make a new video to answer the questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!